Hey everyone! Welcome back to eSoil Tech, where we explore the best ways to stay healthy and transform your well-being. Today, we're diving into an important topic, obesity. We'll break down what it is, the common causes, and most importantly, practical solutions to lose weight and stay fit. Let's get started. So what exactly is obesity? Obesity is when your body has an excessive amount of fat, which can lead to various health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and joint pain. It's often measured using something called BMI, body mass index. If your BMI is 30 or higher, that's considered obese. But it's not just about numbers. It's about overall health and lifestyle. There are several factors that contribute to obesity. Let's break them down. 1. Poor diet choices, eating too many processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy snacks. 2. Lack of physical activity, a sedentary lifestyle where you're sitting more and moving less. 3. Stress and emotional eating, turning to comfort food during stressful times. 4. Genetics. Sometimes it's in your DNA, but that doesn't mean you can't fight back. 5. Medical conditions and medications. Certain conditions like hypothyroidism or medications can also play a role. The good news? Many of these causes are within your control. Let's talk solutions. Losing weight doesn't mean starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. It's about creating sustainable habits. Here's how. 1. Balanced diet. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reduce sugar and unhealthy fats. 2. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. Start small, walk, swim, or dance. 3. Stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 4. Mindful eating. Pay attention to portion sizes and avoid eating out of boredom or stress. 5. Sleep and stress management. Prioritize quality sleep and manage stress through meditation or yoga. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Once you've achieved your goals, the next step is staying fit. Here are some tips. Make fitness fun. Find activities you enjoy, like hiking, dancing, or playing a sport. Plan ahead. Meal prep and schedule workouts to avoid falling back into old habits. Support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage your healthy lifestyle. Keep learning. Stay informed about nutrition and fitness trends to stay motivated. Obesity may be common, but it's not unbeatable. By understanding the causes and embracing these solutions, you can take control of your health and live your best life. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to eSoil Tech for more health and wellness tips. Stay fit, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.